So this is just a quick demo of the Salesforce Indicators package that's put together by the salesforce.org community. This is just a great Lightning component that allows us to visualize information on an account record or a contact record or a case record, really any sort of record that we want to get sort of this nice visualization for when users arrive on a record. They can see pretty quickly some key information. So the indicators are driven by custom metadata, and they can present data that's from a pick list field, a text field, a currency field, or a number field. And again, it's just a really great way to easily visualize that data. So I'm on account record here, and I'm just going to go over a couple of different use cases that we have put together. So the first being the account type field. We can see here the current account type is an installation partner. We can see that by hovering over the first icon, the wrench icon here, and we get the nice hover text that says this is a installation partner. We can see that the component is reactive when we update the data. So if I update the account type to a technology partner and click save, then we have a new icon to present that different account type. The next use case here is maybe we want to visualize the account revenue or the annual revenue of the account. We can see here on the annual revenue field, currently it's only at $1, so the account's not doing very well. You can see that by the middle icon here that indicates that the annual revenue is under $500. If we go ahead and change this to, let's say, $600 and click save, the icon changes. The last use case that I'm going to present on the account record is maybe we want to display whether or not the case or the account has open cases attached to it. And so we can see here over here on the right hand icon, there's no open cases attached to this account. We've got a custom field on the account to indicate how many open cases there are. This could be populated from automation when cases are opened and closed. So when we move this to, let's say, having a account open for the first time or case open for the first time, we click save, that icon's going to change. Let's say that the account is really going through some troubles and maybe they have 5 open cases. We get a different icon. So those are just a few use cases here on the account object. The next thing that I want to take a look at is using it on the contact record as well. Again, this can be used on any standard object or custom object. All of this is driven off of a few different custom metadata type tables. It's very easy to configure, and within not too much time, we are able to display this nice visualizations on the record pages. So we can see here, I'm on my contact page. The do not call checkbox is currently set to true. And so when we arrive on the contact record, we can see this nice big red phone button indicating that we should not call this contact. Again, great visualization, easy to see. You could even go a step further and remove some of the fields that maybe the end users shouldn't have access to. So it could all be driven off of the back end. I'm going to go ahead and update the do not call checkbox to true, and I'm also going to update the birth date. So what we can see here is by unchecking the do not call checkbox, we can see that the icon is changed to a green phone, indicating that the contact can be called, and it just so happens to be Brandon's birthday. And so, this is just a formula field that is on the contact record that's evaluating the birth date against the current day. And, if we are giving Brandon a call today, we might want to wish him a happy birthday. So again, these are just a few different use cases of the Salesforce Indicators package that's, again, built by the salesforce.org community. It's a really great package that just allows us to visualize different pieces of information.